It's been a long time since I've made my favorite Jamaican snack, but I'm going to show you today how I make these crispy, delicious saltfish fritters. Y'all, they're so addicting. And it's been a minute since I made them on my channel, but welcome back to Misha's Corner. Let's get into it. The coldest water commercial break. Make sure you guys check it out. The direct link will be in my description box. And use my code Misha10 to get 10% off your order. They have all kinds of colors. If you're a girl that's not into pink, you ain't even got to get pink. They got every color under the rainbow on their website. So make sure you check it out. They also have different sizes. This is a 32 ounce. And I love it. I'm obsessed with it. And it's the perfect size for me. However, for you gym rats that like the big old, they have the big, I believe they're a gallon or more, but they're big. So check them out and tell them I sent you and use my code. So I'm gonna blitz up some bell peppers, yellow and red, some scallions, and a little bit of garlic. And you just want to blitz it until it breaks down quite a bit. I mean, you could chop this on your chopping board, but I like more the consistency when you blitz it in a food processor. It gets everywhere all throughout the batter. This is the saltfish, codfish in America is what they call it. It's salted, so you do need to boil it. I do mine twice. I boil it twice for 10 minutes. Change the water to get that salt off, and then it's good to go. It's not so much trying to cook it, but more so trying to get the salt off. It's already cooked. So, again, you can also taste it for your tolerance of sodium, salt, whatever you want to call it. And like I said, I do it twice for 10 minutes and I change the water. So next, let's work on the batter. Season the batter, of course, I'm going to be using Spicy Girl, my meat and poultry seasoning that I use on everything, eggs, clearly the fritters, chicken, meat, vegetables, whatever you want. You're going to season your flour just like this. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, as well as the It's Lit lemon pepper, okay? Because it's going to bring that nice tang and the garlicky notes, the thyme, the herbs, and I just had to put a little sprinkling, link down in there and give it a pop of flavor. As well as, cod, saltfish is seafood, so it's going to really pick that up. So basically we're looking for pancake batter consistency and maybe a little thicker, but you want to keep adding the water a little at a time until you get the consistency that you prefer. After I'm done adding the water, I'm going to show you the consistency that you should have. However, again, the amounts will be in the description box, and literally you can't mess this up. Like, it's literally, you can't. There's no way. And if you do, make sure you tell on yourself so I could get you, okay? But this is the consistency you're looking for right here. And then, yeah, it looks like pancake batter. So next, you're going to add the mixture that you blitzed in the food processor that had the peppers, the scallions, the garlic. And you want to add it down in here. I didn't put any Scotch bonnet or habanero because Spicy Girl has more than enough spice to handle the fritters. Next, you're going to add your codfish, saltfish down in here. And then you're going to mix it like really, really well. You want to get everything nice and, spread out in the batter, the peppers, the scallions, the codfish, saltfish. I don't know why I keep saying both words. Look how good this looks, you guys, and it's perfectly seasoned, and it just smells so good, and it's not even done yet. This is just batter. All right, so to a heated skillet with about a 1/2 inch of oil up, you want to start adding your batter down in here. Now, the reason why I use an ice cream scoop is because I wanted even sizes. I want them all to look the same. This is 100% optional. You do not have to use an ice cream scoop. Don't be running to the supermarket thinking you need to get one, because I know somebody will go do it. Okay. So I'm just going to keep dropping them down. I'm on medium heat, which is the MED on my gas stove. Okay. If you have an electric stove, I believe that would be number 5, because I believe that stove goes up to 8. So I believe you would be on number 5 or number 5. And you want to fry them on both sides for about 3 minutes or until they're golden just like this and crispy. They will be nice and crisp. Okay. And once you flip it, Don't be flipping it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Wait until you see brown around the edges and you flip once. Because the back and forth is what's going to make it greasy. And your heat needs to be hot. Okay? Hot heat. Thank you. The easiest way for me to describe these are like, because America has fritters. They have fritter recipes as well. Like they have the apple fritters and things like that. These are more savory and more, full of flavor. And I'm sure a lot of you guys had cod before, even if it's not salted, but you have an idea. And it's just a nice little treat, appetizer, or it could be whatever you want it to be. But it's super cheap to make. You already know us islanders, we have a lot of cheap meals because, you know how it is. And so, of course, you got to have a bev. So I got that pineapple soda, D&G. Don't forget to check out my spices. It's Lit Lemon Pepper and Spicy Girl. Both are now live on my website, www.mishascorner.com. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, sharing my videos, buying my spices, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.